Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how we can use Node-RED to connect with the free MQTT broker from the EMQX company, and you can visit this website to get the broker details. And here is the broker detail. You can see the broker is available. Broker is online. We can connect. Here is the broker IP address, or you can say the host name. Here is the TCP port to connect with this broker. So let's see how we can use Node-RED to connect with this broker for the data exchange. So here is our Node-RED flow. First of all, I'm going to take the inject node, and then after we are going to use the MQTT out node to publish our data on the MQTT broker, and then we will use MQTT in node to get the data from that broker. So let's connect timestamp and the MQTT out node, and MQTT out node is our publisher. So I'm going to use name publisher ISHER. Okay, I'm going to use the quality of service 0. Instead of Mosquito MQTT broker, we are going to connect with EMQX broker. So I will create new MQTT broker connection here, which is our EMQX MQTT broker. And here is the broker IP address or host name. Sorry, I have to paste it here in the server. The port we are going to use is 1883, and that's it. Okay, we can click on this add to add the EMQX MQTT broker configuration, and we are going to publish the data on Pylene underscore topic. Okay, that's it. We can click on this done button, and for MQTT in node, we have to use the server. We have to use the MQTT broker is EMQX, and we have to subscribe on one topic, and one topic we are going to subscribe is Pylene underscore topic. Okay, and the QoS we are going to use is 0, and we are going to press done. And here we are going to create a debug node to display the value, and we are going to display the value in the node status. And here also I'm going to take one debug node to display the value that what timestamp we are publishing on the MQTT broker. And here also we will display the timestamp value on the node status. So that's it, everything is done. I can deploy my flow, and you can see it is connected. So our Node-RED is successfully connected to this MQTT broker, and it's our subscriber. Okay, and done, and deploy. Okay, now we can use this inject node to inject the timestamp. So if I inject the timestamp, you can see last 3 digit is 720, and here also you can see the last 3 digit 720. You can also check the entire number. So whatever I'm going to publish to the EMQX broker, that is available here in my Node-RED. Now, if you have connected your Node-RED with your any sensor, and if you're collecting that sensor data in the Node-RED, then again you can use this EMQX public MQTT broker to send the data to that broker, and using your phone, tablet, laptop, or any other system, you can configure the broker details, and you can have your data on your remote devices as well from anywhere in the world. Okay, so that is the best part of the cloud MQTT brokers. You can have your data from anywhere in the world. Okay, if I want to update the data, or if I want to send another data, like instead of timestamp, if I want to send the string, okay, hello from Node-RED, and then also I can do that. So all I have to do is this, and I can deploy my flow, and once it is connected, I can publish the value to MQTT broker, and this subscriber will receive that value on that topic, and it will print it here. Okay, I can also use MQTT Explorer software to get this value. So I'll create new connection. It's our EMQX MQTT broker, and I'm going to provide the host ID, or you can say the IP address, and then we have to click on this advanced button, and here I have to specify the topic which I'm going to subscribe to. So we are going to subscribe to Pylene underscore topic, and we are going to add this topic. We will go back and we will connect. Okay, we are successfully connected. Now I can publish the same value. Okay, I can publish hello from Node-RED from the Node-RED, and I will receive that here in the MQTT Explorer. You can see Pylene underscore topic, and here is the value inside that topic. So MQTT Explorer is acting as a MQTT client, which can act as a subscriber as well and which can act as a publisher as well. Okay, now if I want to publish anything from this MQTT Explorer, then also I can do that. So if I want to publish 1, 2, 3, then you can see 1, 2, 3 is available here, and you can also see 1, 2, 3 available here. If I want to again publish hello from Node-RED, then I can also publish it from here. Okay, so it's a bidirectional communication. You can also use these things in your phone, tablet, any handheld devices. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use Node-RED to connect with EMQX free and publicly available MQTT broker. If you still have any question or any doubt regarding this communication, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.